Hi everyone and welcome back for my final morning report analysis video on Tuesday 5th of September with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. We're going to look at gold, and gold broke out on yesterday, back again to multi-month highs, high since Q3 2016. But it's a gap higher that needs to be filled still. 1328.80. Now we've had a bit of an unwind. 1329 figure today is, you could say there or thereabouts that is pretty much gap filled. But now it'll be interesting to see how the US traders react today. Coming back to close the gap. Now closing a gap is whereby basically you see a reversal. You see the market sort of filling the gap but then closing below that support. Now filling the gap on a bullish sense would be the market sort of coming back to fill the gap but then closing above it, so the market swings back higher. Now that there are two different aspects to gap filling that we need to be aware of, and it will be interesting to see how the US traders come in today. But you see the strength of this uptrend, the strength of the momentum indicators, RSI in the 70s, MACD lines, stochastics all positive, all looks pretty strong. Trading above that 1300 to 1310 old key pivot band as well. That also suggests the market is very strongly configured. I'm still intent on buying into weakness now, having broken clear of this resistance band. I think the likelihood is we're probably going to look to test these 2016 highs. So you've got the highs that come in at 42.65. Is this one? Okay, let's do that better. Let's show you in a better way. So you got 42.65 initially, and then 52.65, and then 75, which is the high. So 75 from July 2016 is the key high. So it looks like the market is going to be sort of ultimately moving to test those highs, but I think you might see a little bit of an unwind first. That support of the uptrend comes in at 12.96, I think it is 12.97. So you could potentially see an unwind back to that uptrend, but as long as that support of the breakout pivot 1300 to 1310 remains intact, then I think any sort of unwinding move would still be a bullish move that helps to renew upside potential. So let's just see how the traders from the US come in today and treat this gap, because that is a gap that has come in fairly sort of in a mature trend, so it could still be a bit of a move that just unwinds a little bit first. But I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.